Hello and welcome back to the Innovative Scientific Discovery channel, where we explore not just what science discovers, but why it matters, how it transforms lives, and how it inspires hope across the world. Today, I have an incredible story for you. One that speaks of courage, sacrifice, and the power of human determination. This is the story of Tim Friede, the man whose blood is helping scientists develop an unparalleled universal snake antivenom, a breakthrough that could save tens of thousands of lives every year. Let's step back in time. For thousands of years, snakebites have been among humanity's deadliest encounters with nature. Ancient civilizations from India to Egypt recorded snakebites in their texts, often describing them as mysterious, unstoppable deaths. For millennia, treatments ranged from herbal concoctions to spiritual rituals, most of them ineffective. Modern medicine made a leap in the 1890s, when scientists learned to inject small doses of venom into animals like horses. The animals' immune systems produced antibodies, which were then harvested to make antivenom. It was revolutionary for its time, but there was a problem. Each antivenom was specific to one snake species or region. A bite from an Indian cobra could require different treatment from a Sri Lankan cobra, even though they are technically the same species. And so, we entered the 21st century still racing against time and geography, every time someone was bitten, with lives hanging in the balance. This is where Tim Friede's astonishing journey begins. A former truck mechanic from the US, Tim became fascinated, some say obsessed, with the idea of building his own immunity to snake venom. Over nearly 2 decades, he injected himself with venom from some of the world's most lethal snakes: mambas, cobras, taipans, krites. In the early days, his experiments nearly killed him. 2 cobra bites in quick succession left him in a coma. But Tim didn't give up. He saw a bigger picture, a humanitarian mission. He explains, "I just kept pushing and pushing, for the people 8,000 miles away from me who die from snakebite." Tim's body became a living laboratory, and his blood, filled with years of adaptive antibodies, became a scientific goldmine. Enter Dr. Jacob Glanville, a pioneering scientist and CEO of the biotech firm Centivax. Dr. Glanville had a bold idea. What if instead of using antibodies that target each snake individually, we could find broadly neutralizing antibodies that work across entire families of venomous snakes? When Dr. Glanville learned about Tim, he immediately reached out. With Tim's permission and ethical approval, the team began analyzing his blood. Their focus: elapids, one of the 2 main families of venomous snakes, which includes cobras, mambas, krites, and coral snakes. These snakes use neurotoxins that paralyze muscles and can stop breathing within hours. The researchers identified 2 powerful antibodies from Tim's blood that neutralize entire classes of neurotoxins. By combining these with a third drug targeting another class of venom, they created a powerful cocktail. In animal trials, this cocktail saved mice from lethal doses of venom from 13 of the 19 deadliest elapid species on the planet, and gave partial protection against the rest. This is unprecedented. For the first time, scientists have the blueprint for a universal antivenom that doesn't require you to know which snake bit you, where it came from, or even what species it was. Snakebites kill up to 140,000 people a year, mainly in the poorest parts of Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Even survivors often face amputations, permanent disability, and crushing medical debt. Imagine what a universal antivenom would mean for these communities. Health workers in rural clinics could save lives without needing a specialist. Farmers, children, and families would no longer face a death sentence from a hidden threat in the grass. It's not just about humans either. Conservationists, field biologists, and even pets could benefit from a tool that removes the fear of venomous bites. But perhaps most profoundly, this breakthrough reminds us of the extraordinary capacity of human beings to turn personal sacrifice into global healing. Tim Friede's antibodies are not just molecules. They are a symbol of resilience, innovation, and compassion. If you're passionate about groundbreaking science that changes lives, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring more inspiring stories to you. For all the aspiring researchers and postgraduate students out there, this remarkable journey opens up numerous avenues for academic exploration. Here are some potential research titles inspired by this scientific breakthrough. The likely master research titles associated with this scientific breakthrough include the following. 1. Development of broadly neutralizing antibodies against elipid snake venoms. This research title will investigate the mechanisms by which certain antibodies can neutralize a wide range of elipid snake venoms. 2. Immunogenic response in humans exposed to repeated snake venom injections. This research title would examine the human immune system's adaptation to controlled, repeated venom exposure. 3. Ethical considerations in self-experimentation for scientific advancement. This research title would explore the ethical boundaries and implications of self-experimentation in medical research. Furthermore, moving forward to the likely PhD research titles that could extend this scientific breakthrough. These include the following titles. 1. Genomic and proteomic profiling of hyperimmune individuals. This title would analyze the genetic and protein expression profiles of individuals with developed immunity to snake venoms. 2. Development of synthetic antibody libraries targeting diverse snake venoms. This title would create and screen synthetic libraries to identify antibodies effective against various snake toxins. 3. Regulatory pathways for approval of human-derived antivenoms. This title would investigate the regulatory challenges and frameworks for bringing human-derived antivenoms to market. Finally, kindly check out more likely research titles in the comment section below. If you think about any likely research title that could improve this scientific breakthrough, kindly drop it in the comment section below. We are happy to hear from you always. Thank you. Thank you for joining me today at Innovative Scientific Discovery, where we go beyond headlines to uncover the heart and hope behind the science. If this story inspired you, please subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share this video to spread the word about this remarkable discovery. Together, we are part of a global community of dreamers, doers, and thinkers, shaping a future where even the deadliest dangers can be overcome by human ingenuity and heart. Stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.